Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this hair pomade. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started. So here I have my shea butter, my herb infused oil, and in this bottle I infuse moringa powder, brahmi powder, fenugreek powder. And what I did, I melted the shea butter, and I have 1 cup of shea butter melted and 1 cup of the herb infused oil. Now I'm going to add it, mix it together in one bowl. Here I'm adding both the shea butter, the herb infused oil, and I'm going to add my beeswax together. And my beeswax, I have 40 grams of beeswax. So in a hot water bath, I left my oil to enable the beeswax to melt, and I left it here for 10 minutes before it got melted. So here my beeswax is completely melted, and I'm adding my menthol crystal to the oil. Here I have a teaspoon of my menthol crystal, and I have my essential oils. I have clove essential oils and lavender essential oils and rosemary essential oil. Then I'm adding 5 drops each. Then I mix together to make sure that the menthol crystal is completely dissolved. So at this point, everything is melted. Then I have my jar, and I pour it into my jar. At this point, my pomade is ready. Then I'm going to leave. After pouring it, I left it for about 3 hours to solidify. And here my pomade, my hair pomade is ready. And all the oils and essential oils we used help in stimulating hair growth. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share my videos and like them. Comment if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.